been using the same sanding product as long as I've known the company. We've been using the same company's stuff, and I didn't even know there was options until Tony had mentioned it. He said, "I'll bring over some samples." We did. Once we used them, it seemed delightful. Things that we liked about the small sanding discs specifically, they seem to last longer. One, they're much more rigid on the disc surface, so especially when grinding against wheels, it makes it so it actually stays in form, so it actually grinds the surface better. Also, what we liked about it is the screw form that goes into our grinder wheels. It grips better in, so you have a situation where you pick up the gun and you'll hit the thing, and the old ones will just literally unscrew themselves and fly off. And let's be honest, when you're busy, you're not going to go chase that thing down. You're going to just grab another one, which is wasteful, yes, but we didn't have that problem with the other ones that we tried out. So we like that especially. But and they don't seem like they're going to break as easily, because you also have situations where they actually break off and you got that little plastic corkscrew in there and you're going to dig it out. For the three of us that were actually using them and playing with them for the half the day, we were happier with them. We wanted to see them. I guess happiness would be the general.